Because otherwise, if you are not learning, it is not at all useful to you to proceed the class further. So you have to learn at any cost. Already I told you that all these are interlinked. One is interlinked with the other. So if you are not learning this one, next chapter, applications of trigonometry, you cannot understand. So you need to learn compulsorily all the trigonometric values. So first I will ask the question to you, then after I will point out the person, means one student, to give the answer. Okay? Sign 0, Vedika.
0.
0, very good. Sign 90, Purnapama.
1.
Very good. Tan 45, Shalu.
1.
Very good. Sine 30 degrees, Mansi.
So 1/2.
Very good. Excuse me. Cos 60 degrees, Pratoidas. Cos 60 degrees,
Sir, half.
Pratoidas. Can you hear me, Pratoi?
Sir, half.
Very good. What you said once again? You say along with the question. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You tell me that what question and answer. Question and answer. What I asked you.
Sir, cos 60 degree.
Cos 60 degrees. Answer क्या?
Sir, half.
Half. Very good. Sin 60 degrees. Next, who is there? Sin 60. Maudipa. Oh, Maudipa. Oh, yes. Sin 60
Root
degrees.
3/2.
Very good.
Root 3/2.
Root 3 by 2. Very good. Cos 0 degrees. Suraj. Cos 0 degrees. Suraj.
Yes, sir. 1.
Huh?
1.
Cos 0 degrees.
Yes, sir. 1.
1. Okay, very good. Next. Secant 45 degrees. Secant 45 degrees.
Sir, root 2.
Okay, very good. You said. Okay, no problem. I said that I'll ask the question, so that if I ask the question, everyone have to think about the answer. So then after I may point out any student. Everyone have to think the answer. I may ask anyone and keep in the mind. आपका mind में रखना है. If I ask you personally, then you have to give the answer. Okay? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Reciprocal of the cosec. Nancy. Simply, I am not asking value. I am asking reciprocal of the cosec. Cosec का reciprocal क्या है? Reciprocal of the cosec. Nancy, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Reciprocal of the cosec. Reciprocal of the cosec. Don't know. Okay, Nabanita. Reciprocal.
Sir, 1 by sin.
Whenever, see here, very good. You say cosec. If I am asking to you. It is wrong actually. Your answer is wrong. I am asking reciprocal of the cosec. So sine you have to say. Cosec is equals to 1 by sine. 1 by sine we will say as a reciprocal of the sine. Did you understand here? Okay. You are in the mind. You are having the correct way only, but you are not presenting in a proper way. That's it. Okay, good. Dia, can you hear me? Dia, can you hear me? Can you hear me, Dia? Dia, can you hear me? Okay, maybe not audible to her. Okay, mostly I think everyone have learned all the trigonometric ratios of the specific angles, and because furtherly, if you are going on doing this, you are going to learn the new things you are going to get in trigonometry. In the trigonometry, you are going to learn the new things you are going to get. So you have to learn compulsory, otherwise there will be a confusion among you. Everything, whatever I told you, because all are interlinked. These are all interlinked. So you cannot skip anything. So the next topic in the trigonometry is trigonometric complementary angles. So trigonometric ratios of the complementary. Actually, this topic is deleted from your syllabus, but for in the future it will be useful to you. So that's why I'm explaining to you. This is useful to you, but this academic year 2020-21, the syllabus is deleted from the deleted by the CBSE. But better you learn it. It is without these all the things you cannot go further in the future. So that's why briefly I will explain to you trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Okay, so complementary is nothing but which two angles are said to be complementary angles? First you say. Which two angles are said to be complementary angles?
Which form 90 degree.
Huh? Yes. Which two angles are said to be complementary angles? Complementary, supplementary. Yes, tell me.
Some angles which combine to form 90 degree is called complementary angles.
Once again, I'm not clearly not audible to me.
Angles which combine to form 90 degree, they are called complementary angles.
Okay. Little bit it is correct only, but sum of the two angles 90 degrees means they are called complementary angles. If the sum of the two angles is 90 degrees, then they are called complementary angles. Okay? समझ में आया? So two angles, complementary angles of the trigonometric ratios means already we have learned this one. ये हम लोग already सीख लिया है indirectly. Suppose if you are taking an triangle into the consideration, ABC, ये 90 degrees is nothing but this is theta, then this will be 90 minus theta. If this is theta, this is 90 minus theta. Okay, so I'm considering this as a theta. Sin theta is nothing but sin C you are going to get. So this is theta is nothing but this is 90 minus theta. Okay. So if you take sin theta is nothing but sin C you are going to get. Sin C is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. Here opposite is AB and hypotenuse is AC. You take here cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta. What do you get here? Cos का this angle means cos A. Cos A क्या है? For angle A adjacent. So what is the angle A adjacent? Suraj. What is the angle A adjacent?
Yes, sir.
Angle A का adjacent side क्या है? What is adjacent side of angle A?
Sir, BC.
हाँ बेटा. No. Adjacent angle A का adjacent ये क्या होता है? इसका दिख रहा है ना आपको? सिंपल है. ये क्या है? Opposite side है. उसका opposite में है.
Yes, sir.
तो वो adjacent बोले तो ये तो hypotenuse fix है. तो ये opposite हो गया तो ये क्या होगा? Adjacent होगा ना?
Yes, sir.
What is adjacent here? AB. So cos A is nothing but adjacent by
Hypotenuse AC.
hypotenuse AC. You observe here AB by AC. So cos 90 minus theta is equals to sin theta. In the same way, sin 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta you are going to get. So these are called complementary angles. These are called complementary angles. What beta?
Sir, video blur है.
सबको blur हो रहा है?
No, sir.
Yes, it is only for the one means it is problem in your network. Okay. Okay, 1 second it disturbs sometimes. Then after automatically it adjusts. Cos 90 minus theta is equals to sin theta. Sin 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta. Tan if you are taking tan 90 minus theta is equals to, can you expect what do we get? Can you say what do we get?
Sir, cot theta.
Yes, cot 90 minus theta is equals to tan theta. Cot का tan आएगा, tan का cot आएगा. But here do remember most of the students will confuse that sin 90 minus theta is equals to, I have seen that cosec लिखता है. Cosec is a reciprocal. Cosec नहीं आएगा. 1 by sin theta is nothing but cosec theta. 1 by sin theta is nothing but cosec theta. So here cot 90 minus theta is equals to tan theta. Next in the same way secant 90 minus theta is equals to क्या आएगा? What do you get secant 90 minus theta? Cosec theta.
Theta.
Cosec 90 is equals to secant theta. So that is nothing but you see, observe that. Even you can observe this one. Table, whenever you observe the table, sin 30 degrees क्या होगा? 1 by 2. तो cos इसका complementary angle क्या है? 60 है ना? 30 degrees का complementary angle is 60. So cos 60 degrees also 1 by 2 you are going to get. Because same you are going to get. That's why whenever you take sin in the table, first 0 आएगा, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Reverse में ले लिया तो 1 आएगा. Why reverse? Because the first angle and last angle 90 degrees. I told you very clearly at the time of the trigonometric angles of the some specific angles. Specific angles बोलते समय मैंने बोला है. So these are called the complementary angles. So based on these complementary angles only you are going to have the exercise 8.3. But this exercise is deleted from your syllabus. But just listen here. Once if you listen that, at least you will come to know that how to solve the problems. You will not get these in your examination, in your board examination. Till now the CBSE has given the according to that. Okay. So now here let us move to the exercise 8.3, 8.3 mein. Just because it will be useful. Some problems if you are practicing it is useful for your future. That's why I am saying to you this one. Then after Exercise 8.3. The first problem there. So what is asking to evaluate sin 80? Sir, 80 degrees हमको पता है ना? By cos 72 degrees. ये दोनों में एक को convert करना है. How do you convert them? 80 degrees को, if you want, you can write 90 minus 72 लिख सकते हैं ना? 90 minus 72 80 है ना? 18 को change कर लिया. I have changed the 18 only by cos 70. So 90 sin 90 minus theta क्या है? This is in the form of sin 90 minus theta. This is in the form of sin cos theta. Theta क्या है इधर? 72. Again you have to write cos 72 degrees by cos 72 degrees. Both cancel होगा. 1 by 1 आ जाएगा. The answer is 1. Simple. All the mostly the problems will be like this only. So third problem, if you take into consider, minus दे दिया है, cos 48 degrees minus sin 42 degrees, okay, which is equals to anyone you can change. Either 42 को 90 minus में लिखो, पहले और 48 को 90 minus में लिखो. That is your wish. Both your wish. I am not changing this one. This one I am not changing. Just I am writing in the form of 90. 90 minus क्या? Number will give you 48.
42.
Yes, 90 minus 42. Now it is in the form of इसको change मत करो, एक ही को change करो. So sin 42 degrees. So what do you get here? Cos 90 minus theta, sin theta. So theta का place में 42 है. So sin 42 degrees you are going to get minus sin 42. Minus sin 42 degrees value we don't know, but there will be a value. Value होगा. But वो दोनों सेम है, दोनों को subtract कर रहे हैं, so the answer is 0. So like that fourth problem also. And if you second bit first problem देखो, simple छोटा problem नहीं है. Tan 48 degrees into tan 23 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 67 degrees is equals to 1 prove करना. देखो if you observe that here 48 है, इधर 42, दोनों का सम 90 है. इधर 23 है, इधर 67, दोनों का सम 90 है. वो ऑब्जर्व करना है पहले. First you observe that one. After observing that one, what you have to do? ये 48 42 दोनों में एक को चेंज करना है. Any one. बाकी other trigonometric ratio should be kept as it is. उसको as it is रखना है. So what do you get here? Tan 48 में. So we are going to write here. This one I am changing as a 90 minus 42. In these two, this one I am changing. First one. So tan 90 minus 67. 90 minus 67 23. 23 लिख रहा हूँ. I am not changing that one. 23 को, but in other form I am writing. I am writing in the other form. Okay. So into tan 42 degrees into tan 67 degrees. ये दोनों चेंज नहीं करना है. दोनों फर्स्ट टू वी हैव चेंज. सो tan 90 minus theta form. What is tan 90 minus theta?
Cot theta. Cot theta.
So what do you get here? Cot 42 degrees. Here what do you get? Cot 67 degrees. ये tan 42 can I write as a 1 by cot 42? Can I write this one as a 1 by cot 67? Yes. These two will get cancelled. These two will get cancelled. 1 1 1 1. So 1 by 1. 1 by 1 is nothing but 1 answer. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Simple problems है. ये कुछ नहीं है. Okay. So here the third question, if you see that all the questions will be very simple here. Tan 2a is equals to cot a minus 80. 2a is an acute angle, it is here. 2a is an acute angle. Find the value of a. So value of a find out करना है तो here what to do? Any one angle. Tan 2a can be written as cot 90 minus 2a. Cot 90 minus 2a is equals to tan 2a. If I change this one to the cot, here 90 minus 2a. So that cot you have to remember. Okay. This is equals to cot a minus a. And here cot cancel नहीं करना है. Without cancellation, you can write that 90 minus 2a is equals to a minus 18 because both are cot. Cot some angle is equal to cot another angle, so that the angles will be equal. Okay, so you know equal to that. Then after you take this 2a to that side, this 18 to this side. So what do you get? 90 plus 18 is equals to a plus 2a. So we are going to get 108 is equals to 3a. So 3a is equals to 108. A is equals to 108 by 3. 3 ones are 3 3s are 9. This is a 8. So a is equals to 36 degrees. Angle A is asking you to find out. Fourth problem is also very simple here. What is the question given to you? Tan A is equals to cot B. Tan A is equals to cot B. And asking you to prove. So tan A, write it I am telling here. Here tan of cot, you can write as a cot B as 90 minus B. Tan 90 minus B. So now tan A is equals to tan 90 minus B. So what do you get here? A is equals to 90 minus B. ये B को इधर लेके आओ. A plus B is equals to 90 degrees आएगा. A plus B is equals to 90 degrees. That is asking you to prove. So like this, even every problem, whatever it is given to you, it is very simple, not very difficult to you. So 6th and 7th problems discuss करेंगे. Then after we'll stop it. Okay. So these are the complementary angles of the trigonometric ratios of the complementary angles. The problems here. Simple problems है ना? समझ में आ रहा है ना?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you are interested, you can do this in your notebook for your future. See, we are not supposed to read it. Our education should not be only for the examination point of view. I don't think so like that. For the future purpose, you need to read everything. So this is useful to you. If it is not interlinked, then I will skip that. Interlinked nahi hai, quadratic equations में application oriented problems. That is useful, but as it takes more time, I skip that one. So this is very simple here. Even one class we can complete, and you will not feel difficult. And these are interlinked. One is interlinked with the other one. So that's why I am explaining to you. 6th question, ABC are the interior angles of the triangle ABC, and asking to you, it is to show that sin B plus C by 2. Sin B plus C by 2 is equals to cos A by 2. Sin B plus C by 2 is equals to cos A by 2. So we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degrees. Okay. So B plus C क्या होगा? 180 minus A होगा. B plus C we are going to have 180 minus A. So now here if you take in this you take the left hand side LHS take sin B plus C by 2. In the place of B plus C I am writing 180 minus A. 180 minus A by 2 which is equals to sin 180 by 2 180 by 2 minus A by 2. So 180 by 2 क्या होगा? Sin 90 होगा. 90 minus A by 2. Sin 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta, cos A by 2. That is asking you to prove. That's all. Did you understand? See here, A, B, C are the interior angles of the triangle. Sum of the interior angles is equals to 180 degrees now. So first I have taken A plus B plus C is equals to 180, 3 angles. And B plus C is equals to 180 minus A. B plus C is equals to 180 minus A. So sin B plus C by 2. B plus C का place में 180 minus A लिख दिया. Then this by 2 is separately taken. 90 minus A by 2 हो गया. Sin 90 minus A by 2 is equals to sin 90 minus A by 2 is equals to cos A by 2. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
The very simple problem. Even 7th problem if you take into consider. 7th one. So what is the question given? Sin 67 plus cos 75 degrees. Express the trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 and 45. So two angles are given to you. Sin 67 degrees plus cos 75 degrees. ये दोनों को angle को 0 to 45 लेना है. So that is nothing but this you change into sin. 90 minus क्या लिख सकते? Sin I am not changing here. See, this can be written in two different ways. I will tell you. See, first you, I am not changing this one, so इसको 90 minus में लिखता हूँ. 90 minus क्या लिख सकते हैं? 23, isn't it? 23 लिख सकते हैं ना?
Yes, sir.
So I am not changing the sign, so ये 67 की जैसा लिखा. I didn't change one. 67 ही लिख दिया. So cos, but in another form, 90 minus 50. So this is sin 90 minus theta form. Sin 90 minus theta form means cos theta, cos 23 degrees. And here sin 50 degrees. देखो ये 50 degrees, 23 degrees, 0 to 45 हो गया. This is a one way of writing. Some students will do in another way. Sir, if I write like this, easy from sin 67 plus cos 75. इधर पहले लिखता है sin 67 को cos 90 minus 67 लिखता है. So what he did here, in this place I am applying the sin 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta, and cos 90 minus theta is equals to sin theta. Here in the second step itself I am applying sin 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta, cos 90 minus theta is equals to sin theta. रिवर्स में अप्लाई कर रहा हूं. ये sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta, ये sin theta cos 90 minus theta as it is. I am changing this one, so ये as it is लिखना. In the same way, this can be written as cos theta. Cos theta means nothing, sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta. Now what you have to do? Again you are not going to apply. इसको simplify करना. सेम ये cos है, ये 23 लिख सकते हैं. ये sin as it is है, this is 15 लिख सकते हैं. That's all. दोनों सेम है. In this both ways you can do the problem. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
So here I request you people to learn all the trigonometric values of the specific angles. Specific angles completely you have to learn. Otherwise you cannot proceed. And the next two trigonometric identities will be there. In 11th class you are going to have so many identities. So one is interlinked with the other. So that is mandatory to you to learn. Okay? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now trigonometric